Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a frequently asked question, or for short, FAQ page in Shopify. An FAQ page can help your customers find answers quickly and improve their shopping experience. So, let's dive in. First, let's create a page for your FAQs. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store in the left-hand sidebar. Then click Pages and select Add Page. In the title field, enter Frequently Asked Questions or FAQ. FAQ. Now it's time to add your FAQ content. In the content area, write down your questions and answers. Use clear and concise language. You can format the text using headlines, bullet points, and links to make it more readable. If you have multiple questions, consider using a collapsible section or a list of formats for better organization. You can just click on the title here and you can add everything you want. Then click Save. Save your changes. Finally, link your FAQ page to your main navigation. In your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store and click Navigation. Choose the menu where you want to add the FAQ link, like the main menu or footer menu. Then click Add Menu Item and enter the name and link it to the page you just created. Click Add and then save the menu. I write here name, then apply changes, and that's it. And that's it. You've successfully created an FAQ page in Shopify. This will help your customers get the information they need quickly. So, if you like this video or found this helpful, please like and subscribe and drop comments if you have further more questions. See you in the next video.